So, I wanted you to sit down because I want you to freak out.
Why would I freak out?
Oh. What Bon Bon did to you is nothing but a wound. Okay? But wounds heal. But you don't look at what's left after that as a scar. I don't believe in scars.
Wait,
What you have...
What do you don't believe in scars?
I don't believe in it.
They happen though, they're real.
It's just a mark.
The
It's
mark.
a memory.
Okay.
It's just a memory. That's all it is. I have those. On my face. They remind me that I made mistakes and I did things.
Oh.
Every time I take this off and I see it, I don't feel that pain anymore because it's nothing but a memory that I got them, but I got through it. And I'm still here. And even though I got them during bad times, I remember I got through it, I'm still here, and I'm still doing what I think I'm supposed to be doing. And that those that gave me these couldn't beat me. Just like Bon Bon ain't gonna beat you. That make any sense?
Makes perfect sense.
God, don't tell anybody what I look like.
What do you mean? You're very handsome. Thank you for showing me your face. You didn't have to do that.
Yeah, well, I wanted to.
You got those scars on your face from other people?
Yeah. Yep. But I got through it. They weren't always there, but then they got there. I won.
Yeah. You won. Well, then I guess I don't need a tattoo on my belly button.
Nah, you can don't.